In this video, we're going to create ad accounts in your Facebook Business Manager.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So you're going to go and click on add accounts, and it's going to tell you that you don't have accounts yet because we're just setting this up, and we're going to add accounts. Now, just like with Pages, you see that you have three options. You can create a new account, you can add an existing account, maybe in case you were using one from your personal page, or you can request access. This would be if you're doing this for a client. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways. First, I'm going to add an account that's an existing account, and you have to do that by your ID. The way you would do that is you would click this, and it would ask you for an existing account ID. If you don't know what your existing account ID is, you would go to facebook.com/ads/manager/accounts, and you would get your ID. And you would copy that, and then you would paste that right into that form. So here we are in this form, and we're just going to paste it here, and we're going to add account. And you see, it's that easy. We have just added our existing account. Now, what if we don't already have an account? Let's actually create another one. So we're going to click add accounts, and we're going to click add. And we just did this. We just transferred an existing account from a personal account to our Facebook Business Manager. But you can create multiple ad accounts in Facebook Business Manager. So let's actually add a new account. So we click that, and we're going to give an account name. Let's get Problemio. Let's do that. And then we're going to give the time zone and the currency. Then we'll click next, and they'll ask you whether you're doing this for yourself or for an existing client. And of course, in your case, whatever is applicable, that's what you select. If it's for your business, you click for your business, and then you say create. Ordinarily, this would create your account. In this particular case, what has to happen is you have to have enough ad spending in your current account to warrant Facebook to allow you to create extra accounts. So they have a requirement on spending before you can create extra accounts. But in any case, so now you know how to either create a new ad account from which you can run ads, or how to transfer an existing ad account from a personal page to the Facebook Business Manager so you can manage it all in one place here.